Hey guys, Mark here from Upper Point Cook, and I've just got a block on the market that represents some really awesome value. It's 456 square metres and it's selling at $399, so it's under $1,000 a square metre. I'm here today with Matty Patel from 8 Homes, and he's going to talk us through 2 homes that would fit really well on this block of land. Matty, tell us about the best single story and the best double story for this block.
So for 2010, client can build Alto 220, which is a 4-bedroom, 2-bathroom, 2-car garage, 19 square single story. Or client could also build Java 225, which is the double story, has a 4-bedroom, 2-car garage, 2 living spaces, 2 bathroom, and it's 25 square house.
So you've got a 19 square single story option or a 25 square double story option on this block?
Absolutely correct.
Awesome. Now can you tell us what's the base price? What price do these homes start at?
So the price of the single story is $176,900.
Wow.
Whereas the double story is $229,900.
So 25 square double story starting for $229,900.
Absolutely.
Awesome.
Correct.
And obviously there'd be some extras and some upgrades that would go on to that price to complete the home.
Yes.
Can you talk us a little bit through the 8 Homes process and how the client would do that with you?
Sure. So at 8 Homes, the base price is what includes standard inclusions. Then client would we would look at their site cost, we'll add that up. We would look at the council cost, estate requirements, and then we will take the client through a journey, what we call walkthrough. We'll take them through the house, explain them what's standard and what are the upgrades, and then give them a choice of things that they want to add or they think they will be more comfortable living in with.
Yeah, awesome.
Based on the average spend of the clientele, it's somewhere between $30,000 to $50,000 for the house to be completed on top of the base price.
And thanks for sharing that with us, because we often get people saying, hey, we saw the base price and we thought that was the only price for the home. So it's really good that you're upfront and honest with the clients and telling them how much it's going to cost to finish a home.
Yeah, so again, if you look at 8 Homes, why we call ourselves 8 Homes, there's 8 reasons behind that. But first and main 4 reason was guaranteed fixed price. Also, we fixed every single price up front, including site cost and rock removal.
Awesome, that's fantastic. So any block, if the client has a block of their own, you'd be able to fix prices for them.
Absolutely.
Fantastic. Well, that's great, Matty. We look forward to getting sighting on this block of land.
Absolutely, I'll send you a sighting of a Java on that block.
All right, and keep up the good work, mate.
Thank you very much, Mark, for giving me an opportunity.
No worries.